Hi, my name is Maritza, and I'm a paralegal. I give Logical a 4 out of 5 rating. For more reviews, click the link below. We use Logical to put together document productions. We gather data, documents, images, um, just different data from our clients that we need to produce to opposing parties. And so we use Logical to kind of dump all of that information. Logical will render it into a readable, portable format so that we can serve it on opposing parties in discovery. Logical has great customer service. If you've ever used document production, discovery type software, you know it can be a little daunting. Um, and their customer service is just outstanding. You can always live chat with an agent or call support. They're always available and super helpful. Software is very detailed. There's so much you can do in terms of designating your documents and tagging your documents, the ability to review your documents. It's just an outstanding platform, really detailed. I think for me, that was one of the hardest things, learning how to use it.